Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get a vintage Homelite XL 925 Super 5 cubic inch, very popular in the late 70s. This is very clean. Features a 24-inch 3/8 bar and chain, sprocket nose, and we'll take a look at some of the features they had back in the late 70s and early 80s on these saws. Kill switch is just a toggle switch right here. It has a manual oiler right here, as well as an automatic oiler on the clutch side. Choke is right here, just to pull out. It's got a throttle lock, made the saw a little easier to start. Right here, what you did was trip the trigger and then push that spring-loaded button in, and that held it about quarter throttle. It's got the wrap handlebar, large falling spike, top load on your fuel mix and the oil reservoir, and to adjust the tension on this, you just loosen the two nuts up, and on the inside right here, tensioner screw right there. Muffler's in great shape. Saw is very clean, very nice for the vintage it is. I'm not going to take it out and cut with it, it's too clean. For the collectors that like these saws, it's nice and clean. Take a look inside here. Show you how clean it is inside. Really nice, really clean. And we'll look inside the airbox. It's got a very nice air cleaner. And you can see the airbox there. Now this is not a pre-filter. What this was, or what the Homelite designated that as, is a spit back. That all two cycles spit back a little bit, and that would collect that rather than have it collecting inside the carburetor and causing a rough idle condition. The spit back would collect here. You don't see those in place very often on your chainsaws, on your 925s. Very clean saw. Great buy on a vintage saw.